If you are using either an embedded, pop-up or a floating form, you can customize the display conditions. This gives you a little more control to determine when and where your pop-up form will display on your website. Let's take a look at this. So from the setup menu, scroll down to the bottom and we can see we've got display conditions inside the display settings option. By default, every page that contains your embedded link, the form will show on. We can see it's set to all pages, but we can customize this a little further. Let's open the drop-down menu and select On Condition. Okay, we can now customize our display conditions. So perhaps we don't want our newsletter sign-up form to display on, say, the prices page on our website. And if your website, for example, is johnsmithandsons.com/prices, we can suppress it on that page. So we can say hide if URL contains the word prices and click apply. We can see our display condition has been added. You can add as many display conditions as you like, so perhaps let's add another one. Maybe we also want to hide our form on our Contact Us page. So let's say our Contact Us page address is johnsmithandsons.com/contact. This now tells the software to not show our subscribe form if the URL contains the word contact. I'll click on apply and we can see this has now been added. So the rules will be applied on first match order. You can change the sort order of the rules by the 3 dots icon and shifting them. This gives you ultimate control over when and where your subscribe form is going to show. If you no longer want a rule, you can simply mouse over it and click on delete.